guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today we are here for day 15 of our Vlogtober challenge. This is the first day where we are supposed to be sharing a 0 to 4 point snack. So, that being said, what I ate for snack today is this. This is the Old Wisconsin turkey snack sticks. These are 2 points for one stick, and they're big sticks, guys. I mean, they're just as long as my hand, which is why they're 2 points versus the 1 point. So there are 70 calories in these, and there are 6 grams of protein, which is fantastic for a nice little snack. So 2 points for this. I like to pair it with like one of the low-fat Baby Bell cheeses or like a light string cheese, and that will add 1 point, which still leaves you at under 4 points. So yes, definitely one of my favorite go-to snacks. So that could be the end of the video, but I feel weird just hopping on here and being like, yep, this is what I ate today for my snack. See you tomorrow. So I thought, why not continue the fun of searching for facts related to our challenge? So what I'm going to share with you today are just some fun facts about snacking that I found online. Let me grab my laptop and we'll see what we got. Okay, so I am on progressivegrocer.com and it is called Surprising Facts on Snacking. Let me find one here that I think is intriguing. So these are kind of random facts, and if you can hear that screaming, that is my 15-year-old son playing video games. I would apologize, but there's really nothing I can do about it. He's all the way downstairs in the basement, and I'm way up above and can still hear him. Guys, 15-year-old boys are loud. Anyways, so fact number 1. 25% of people say eating a snack stopped them from having a public meltdown. Okay, all right. I can see that, you know, the whole stress eating thing, which is a big topic on this channel for sure. So 25% of people say that it has stopped them from having a public meltdown. Fair enough. Okay. Flavor, selected by 72% of people, is the #1 influencer when it comes to choosing snack foods for a party. I could see that. I mean, who wants food that doesn't taste good? And then here's a fun random one. 46% of women prefer ribbed chips over regular chips. I wonder why. I wish they would expand on that just a little bit more. Alright, so I guess it's still going to be a short video. That was kind of cool, random tidbits to know about snacking, the potato chip thing especially. I don't know, what's your theory on that, guys? Why do you think women prefer the ribbed potato chips over the regular potato chips? Let me know down in the comments. And share with me what you had for your 0 to 4 point snack today. I'm all for getting new snack ideas. You can leave your answer here down in the comments, or like you guys probably already know, I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey. I will leave her YouTube channel so you can leave your answers over there on her channel, or you can go to her Facebook page, which is also called Suzy's Health Journey. I will link that down below. You can go over there and leave pictures, leave comments, whatever you want. Alright guys, well that is it for day 15. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. And until tomorrow, keep smiling and getting those healthy snacks ready to share. Bye guys.